In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to split text. If you have a full line of text in one cell and you want to separate it into multiple parts automatically, this is a quick and very useful method to know. It can help when you're working with names, phrases, lists, or any content that is separated by spaces and needs to be organized into different cells. To do this, start by clicking on an empty cell where you want the split result to appear. This is important because the result will spread across multiple cells. So you'll want to make sure T here is enough empty space beside it. Next, enter the formula equals split. Then open a parenthesis. After that, type A1, followed by a comma, and then place a space inside quotation marks. The full formula should read equals split. Open parenthesis, A1, comma, quotation mark. Space, quotation mark. Close parenthesis. What this formula does is tell the spreadsheet to look at the text in cell A1 and split it every time it finds a space. So instead of keeping everything together in one cell, it separates each word into its own cell across the row. This is especially helpful when text has been combined and you need to break it apart for sorting, editing, or analysis. Once you finish typing the formula, press Enter. The spreadsheet will instantly divide the text from cell A1 based on each space it finds. If the text contains several words, each one will appear in a separate cell. A helpful tip is to double-check the content in cell A1 before using the formula. If there are extra spaces between words, that may affect the output. Also, make sure the cells to the right are empty or the formula may not expand correctly. This approach is simple, fast, and much more efficient than manually copying and pasting words into separate cells. It's a great formula to remember anytime you need to clean up or reorganize text in a spreadsheet. Thanks for watching.